May I just ask if it is really workbook or just worksheets? As in, na-develop niyo ba siya as a book?
Yes, it is.
Yes, madam.
Yes.
Ay, may
Ilan po ang binigay niyo sa mga bata?
18 po.
Ilang set?
I know.
Ay, arag lang po siya kay madam.
In this workbook po, madam,
Ilang set yan?
May
may 5 topic po. And each of the topic
Five.
has 2 activities po.
Tapos ilang araw niyo siyang in-implement or binigay sa mga bata?
2 days po, ma'am.
Ilan po?
2
2
days.
po.
2 days. 2 days. Tapos ilang oras yun?
Nag-ano po kami, ma'am, grant po kami ki whole day na mag-ano po duman sa school.
Whole day, tapos binigay niyo ng isahan sa mga bata. Tama ba? Tama ba ako?
Hindi po, ma'am. Yung halimbawa po, madam, kang 23, sarong topic lang po, ma'am. By 3 p.m. may aral po sinda. Tapos kang 24 naman po, nag-resume po kami duman sa second topic. Pagkatapos po ka second topic, nagbe-break po sinda ki 15 minutes. Tapos next topic naman po. After discussion, nagsisimbag po sinda kang workbook hanggang po maubos itong sa topic. Pero may
Hindi
mga
kayo masyadong mabigat sa mga bata. Grade 3 pati yan.
Eh,
And math pati yan. Hindi kayo naawa, hala kayo. Okay. Sige. Siguro sa tingin nyo, enough ba yun na 2 days para malaman kung nag-improve ang conjecturing and reasoning skills ng mga bata
For us, madam,
gamit
it is
yung workbook nyo?
not enough po.
Kantahan nyo.
Baka enough ang 2 days po.
How are you going to defend it?
kaso, yun ang po sa oras.
Ano kaya, ma'am?
Siguraduhin nyo na ang isasagot nyo may basis siya ha. Hindi yung feeling nyo lang.
Dapat,
Okay, do you think it was enough?
Ano ba kung ano na?
Mika,
Ma'am, para sa may madam, bako man totally siya enough para masabi mi na nag-improve yung ano kang mga akli. Hindi siya enough para
and then,
pero madam pero madam po kaya push mi siya.
pinilit nyo.
Yes po, madam.
Hala kayo, hindi ganyan nag-research ha. Okay, siguro kung ano man ang kalalabasan nitong defense niya na to, ilagay niyo na lang siya sa recommendations, suggestions. No,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
reflect kung parang what went well and what
Well,
did not. Okay?
Sige.
And sa results naman, ayan. Pwede bang humingi ng isang item lang sa contextualized workbook niyo. Tingnan ko lang kung paano niyo siya ginawang contextualized.
Ano po?
Kahit isang item lang.
hi, matati.
Ano po, ma'am?
Here, madam,
Sige nga, basahin mo.
in question number 1 po, look at the number 37. Do you think it is an odd number or an even number? Explain why you think so.
Kasi may story po siya, ma'am. Basahin ko po. During the Linggo ng Kabataan in Rapu-Rapu, SK chairman organized a fun activity called Laro ng Lahi. The game was held at covered court and the organizer arranged 37 chairs in the middle for the players to sit on. Ang question po, ma'am, is, question number 2 po. The organizer added one more chair, so now there are 38 chairs. Is 38,
Is it odd?
is it odd or even? What happened to the number when we added one?
So, in question number
Okay, sige, contextualize nga siya. Ano yung na-picture?
Teacher po siya, madam, during linggo ng kabataan.
Okay. Sige. Dapat may pinicture niya yung mga chairs din.
Meron po, ma'am.
Para
Yung iba po, madam, talagang
mag-ano siya, mag-drive siya with
Argo.
the question. But it's okay kasi contextualize din naman siya in a way. Sige, okay na po ako doon. And sa results, magko-comment po ako na it should be presented in tables para mas madali po siyang maintindihan plus with interpretation. Okay, Nika and the group?
Yes.
And another thing, dun sa thematic analysis po, it's not presented that way. Parang naaalala ko na kayo yung pinapagawa namin before ng thematic analysis and sabi namin, mag-ask na lang ng help sa amin kasi mahirap naman talaga ang thematic analysis. 'Di ba? So, pati kayo nag-ask ng help. Okay? Para mas natulungan sana kayo na i-present ng maayos yung thematic analysis niyo po na nandito sa etong observed behavior of the participants during the implementation of the workbook. Okay? Ayan. Sige. Question last na lang. Kumusta kayo? Kumusta po kayo after po ng pag-implement niyo nito?
After po, madam, kang pag-implement ni garo may mga realization kay madam na garo mas naging garo kaya mi kuta siya, madam, gibu na much better.
Okay. But, unfortunately, bakit hindi nagawa?
Sir, ma'am. Siguro sa kapos na po, ma'am, sa oras, sa
Kapos sa oras, kailan tayo nag-proposal? Kailan kayo nag-proposal? Di ba? Last school year pa yon.
Yes, madam.
Yes, madam.
Di ba?
Yes.
So, hindi valid yung
Risk.
kapos sa oras kasi nagpasok ka naman June, right? If I am not mistaken, June ba? Oo. Sa DepEd. So, yun. Siguro good thing na may reflections kayo. And another thing pala doon sa dito sa workbook nyo, last na. Siguro if it is better if you have it validated using the DepEd LRMDS. Kung kinaya pa sana ng oras nyo, kasi mas magiging valid siya kapag finalo nyo na, kasi i-implement nyo siya sa DepEd school, right? So, dapat nag-ask kayo ng suggestions, maybe, from any of us prior to the implementation. Hindi po. So, next time, pag may mga ganito huwag mahihiyang mag-ano. Yan. Okay, sige. Congratulations and thank you. I will now give you to Sir Ryan. Good luck.
Di ba nag-ask na validation?
Okay, sige. So, wala na akong itatanong, no? Kasi, natanong naman na, naririnig ba ako?
Yes po, sir.
No?
Yes, sir.
Choppy kasi sa akin. Okay, so, hindi na ako magtatanong as to the rigor of your data gathering procedure kasi nakita naman natin na nagkanda kayo ng 2 days. You have done the pilot testing of your test items for a day, and then you identify which items are difficult and which items are to be revised. And you did the revision based on that. However, sabi nga natin, yung rigor na ginawa nyo or ginandak nyo, hindi masyado. Kasi this is a research naman, di ba?
Yeah.
But of course, naitanong na yon na-clarify na yung mga pinagagawa niyo sa research niyo. And basically, what we have seen from your presentation, you have done it in just 2 days. And if that is truly a research, full-blown research, siyempre, hindi nga naman yun maayos na data gathering procedure. So ngayon, ito na lang sa paper yung mga comment ko after ko mabasa yung research paper ninyo. Okay, magsimula tayo dito sa of course, it will still undergo language editing kung sino yung may recommend ko sa inyo after lahat ng grupo mag-present. Okay, makita ko na yung mga paper nyo. Dito kawawa naman yung dalawa yung members, hindi yung sinama. Isama nyo naman dito sa pinakaitaas, okay? So ayan, include the other members here. And also, since tapos na yung paper nyo, you may want to include the abstract, okay? Based dito sa given instruction there, okay? And then, okay, lagyan nyo naman designation. Kawawa naman. Tapos ako din, yung pangalan ko dyan, wala akong designation. I'm floating around. Anyway, so mga technicalities na lang ito na lang sa paper kasi naitanong na kanina mga syempre ito, introduction, it can still be improved concisely and comprehensively. Okay? And ako yung comment ko. Ito yung table nyo. Dito sa introduction nyo, ilagyan nyo na ng table, no? If you wanted to present it on a table, hindi naman. Pero lagyan nyo ng table number, table title. Pero since this is part of your introduction, mas maganda, I suggest na paragraph form to, no? Ito, baseline yung dire-diretso lang, smooth lang yung pagbasa ng mga readers natin. Kasi hindi pa naman to results, baki i-assume ng readers na result na to. No. Okay? So, mas maganda, i-present nyo na lang to. Yung, tawag doon, yung discussions na in paragraph. Kasi hindi pa naman siya titingnan as a result. Kasi kumbaga, this is the baseline. Okay, and then sa relevant literature, still can be improved, pero hindi ko na kayo binigyan dyan ng comment. Dito sa research scope and delimitation, throughout the manuscript pala, please check the tenses. Please use past tense accordingly, since tapos na to. And present tense were appropriate. Okay, hindi naman lahat past tense. Yung iba dyan, particularly doon sa may mga implications, doon sa mga claims ninyo supported by literature, of course, present tense. Okay, doon lang sa mga processes and procedure magpa-past tense. So please check your tenses and use proper tense accordingly. Okay, the proposed approach, sabi natin, very good na itanong ni Miss Anne yung worksheet. How do we define workbook? Diba? Kasi ang book at least mayroong 50 pages if you will check the literature. But if it's just sheets or worksheets, then you may rename your material, your intervention materials. But if you consider that as a workbook, please make sure that you discuss the operational definition of that workbook in this particular paper. Okay? Kasi I know naman na very minimal pages nang ginamit. And if talagang mayroong workbook na ginawa, it's good. Please attach sa final paper as part of the appendices. Okay? So please take note of that. What else? Okay? Kung ito, describe by parts, make sure na hindi siya one sentence paragraph, i-elaborate nyo per part. Okay? Kasi 6 parts yan, no? Mention ko na yung textbook, ay workbook. If that is a workbook, discuss the number of pages, what are the learning competencies covered for the variables. Ano yung variables nyo? Conjecturing, reasoning, di ba? Ano-ano yung mga competencies covered doon based doon sa subject na kinuha nyo. Ito, mga melts na to. Saan siya naka-align? Kasi hindi nyo pa yan discuss. Methods. research design, okay naman to, pre-experimental. Explain nyo bakit pre-experimental. Pinagkwasay. Dagdag yun siya. Okay, participants, 18. Yung participants na 3 pupils. Pero mention nyo, are they formally selected or random? Isang section ba lang siya sa grade 3? Yeah. I-mention nyo yan. Yung local of the study, very easy lang naman yan. Wala akong comment dyan. Sa data gathering procedure, ayun, 2 days na lang yung minention yung 23 and 24, 22, nag-file test kayo. But make sure that in detail, you discuss comprehensively what really transpired
Screenshot.
during data gathering and how many sessions were conducted within that 2-day frame, 2-day period. Ang pwedeng ilagay nyo dyan. Kasi ilagay nyo lang dito, instructional sessions, how many are these sessions are they? Okay? Ito, ilagay nyo in paragraph 4 and in paragraph. Nakikita nyo ba yung comments ko?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Research instrument, yung minention ni Sir JC, paano nyo na-establish yung pre-test, post-test, sabi yung discussion kanina, nag-pilot test kayo. So, you may want to discuss here sa research instrument, yung pag-establish nyo yung validity and reliability. Ilan yung na-discard na items, ilan yung pinago nyo, ni-revise nyo, you include it here. If you wanted to include it in the appendices, you may do so. Okay? Ano bang nilagay ko dito sa research? Wala. Nakalimutan. Basta isang yun na yun. Sa statistical analysis, nag-mention kayo ng critical, ng t-test, pero hindi nyo pinakita doon sa succeeding table yung critical t-value or p-value. Dito na-mention nyo, the alpha is 0.05 and that's good. Pero doon sa succeeding table, makikita natin wala yun. Okay. This one, na-mention na kanina, please provide a table for the numerical data or results. Take note of that and discuss accordingly. Kasi dito discussion lang. Para at once, if I wanted to see the summary of the results for SOP1, I can see. Okay, effects, ganun din. Ay, ito pala may table. Pero itong table na to kulang. Maybe you may want to include as well the computed critical p-value or p-value, whichever of these two. Kasi pwede namang isa lang dyan ang magiging basis mo whether or not masasabi mong there is statistically significant difference, di ba? Pero nga, yung point natin is, sabi ni Sir JC kanina, no, how can you, or yes, how can you explain to the manuscript, dito sa manuscript, na you can assume normality. So, usually, ang normality na-assume siya kapag there is at least 30 participants. And usually, z-score natin yung mga raw score natin. Nata-transform yan into z-score kapag nag-test ka. Okay? So, since below 18 siya, you may want to explore non-parametric. Sir JC, anong usually ginagamit natin? Craskal, Wallis na sa'yo?
Super.
Andito si Sir JC? Wala.
Yes po, nadadamog po
Anong
sila.
ginagamit mo, Sir JC?
Okay, since ano sila,
Wilcoxon tsaka Z-test. Sige. I-take note nyo yun
Ano po ito, sir?
I-explore nyo kung gusto nyo i-review.
Ano po ito, sir? Nag-choppy po kaya si Sir JC.
Sir JC pa ulit, Sir JC.
I will chat it sa ano natin.
Sige. I-chat na lang ni Sir JC dito sa chat box.
Sige po, sir. Thank you.
Tapos dito sa inyo, check
Wala na. So, ano?
So, pwede kayo mag-polysis med basta bako na so agad-agad results hindi may teams agad kayo hindi nyo pa pinakita yung formulated meanings tapos yung mga significant statements kung ganyan okay and
Sir, nag-choppy na po, sir.
You may want to provide us conclusion nyo, diba? May result, may discussion. Ano sa finding in duduman? Ano sa conclusion in duduman? So, every
Boy, nag-notes man si madam.
at may
Dali chat sa GC.
send
Choppy.
hindi pinakaalaman. References. Ito, please follow APA 7th edition, 1.5 centimeters. Hanging. Check. Ayan. And, references. Pakikulong or na. So, everything
Sir Choppy
every reference that you have mentioned in the in-text dito sa in-text na to should be included in the references. So yun lang. Sir JC, yan Ma'am Ann.
Thank you very much po, Sir Ryan. May I just clarify? Okay, because under SOP number 3, they got they've done thematic analysis. Pwede ba yun na nag-thematic analysis sila pero yung data nila galing lang sa observation nila? Ma'am Ann?
Ay, Sir JC,
Yes po.
pwede yun Sir JC. Kasi, parang i-analyze nila yung mga observation notes nila
Observation. Okay.
qualitatively. Kaya nga sabi ko sa comment ko, depende sa framework na gagamitin nila na.
Hagadin, so may comment.
Okay, thank you, Sir Ryan. Thank you.
Pwede daw hagadin.
I think Ma'am Tin has something to say with your group, but thank you for the effort, class, or to the group of Nika. Okay po. Nahiling ka sa effort, but then again, tapos nga sa oras, sabi nyo, because there are uncontrolled things na talagang hindi nyo makokontrol din. At alam ko nagkakaunawaan tayo. Particularly, nag-aagawan kayo ng estudyante.
Yun ang problema,
Puro
sir.
grade 3 pati.
Oo. Hindi. Sana kung July, August pa sila nag-date
Yes.
gathering, na ano yun. Ang problema, last sila
Naghintay.
nag-procrastinate within the last 2 weeks. Kung hindi ako nag-announce, naman sila mag-rate na gathering. Anyway, marami namang hindi nakapag-final defense.
That's it.
Sige, thank you.
Ma'am Tin.
Ma'am Tin?
Hello. I would like to say thank you so much to the members of the panel for this defense and giving us the opportunity and have their final defense. Okay, may mga parts po doon na ngayon ko lang nakita din. So, ayun po. So, congratulations to the group also. Please do the revisions and please consider the comments and suggestions before you submit the final copy of your research to Sir Ryan. Tama po?
Yes po. Kasi still the final paper, the final manuscript, after they have incorporated all the revisions required by the advisory committee, mag-grade ako. So, 70% from the average rating from the advisory committee, 30% if tama yung pagkakalala ko sa akin, based on my judgment. So, pag walang manuscript, automatic, wala silang 30%. Bagsak. Okay, thank you.
Thank you po. Thank you so much. So, before we leave, sige na po kayo, Nika and the team. May I just ask the panel if kaya pa ba? May isa pa kasing grupo. Yung grupo nila, Mabel. If you can recall. Hello? Ha? Hello po?
Ma'am, excuse me po.
Sir JC.
Sir JC. Okay na.
Sige po, Ma'am Tin. Sige po.
I'll ask them to send the meeting link.
As well as their manuscript.
Okay. Sige po. Thank you.
Pwede daw po mag-documentation.
Sige. Mag-picture. Please open.
Hindi ka, di ako maka-open ki ano ko.
Okay.
Normal daw na ako din nagkakari. Gusto ko bago ng buhok ko.
Okay lang po, sir.
Screenshot na lang ngayon.
Madali, may